Hi. Today I'm gonna to show you how to fix a flat tire using a tire plug kit. So we want to get some air in that tire to see the air leak. For this use an air pump. So if you don't have one you could get one for yourself now, a tire plug kit with air pump or simple only tire plug kit. All these you can find below in the description on my blog. I'm using one of these plug kits. It only cost a few bucks and it comes with everything you need to plug the tire. Make sure it's fully inflated, so that you have air pressure, and now we're going to search for the leak. The leak is most likely a big screw that's in the tread area. I'm going to grab my reamer, and then I'm going to force the reamer into the hole. This can be difficult, so make sure you get a kit that has a reamer with a T-bar handle like this, so you could really push on it and get a lot of leverage. You're gonna move the reamer up and down. It's also a good idea to twist it side to side and then again move it up and down. What we're doing is we're prepping the hole for our plug. We're removing any loose rubber that will cause air leaks with that plug. Grab our plug pusher. This plug pusher tool is what we're going to use to slide one of these plugs into the tire. So your plug, it should be sticky, and it should be malleable. So flatten down the end and slide it through the slot in your tool. Now you're going to get your plug tool ready, and if you have the rubber cement you can apply some directly to the tool. This is going to help lubricate it. You don't need rubber cement to do this job. This is just an extra piece. If you have it you could use it, if you don't have it you don't need it. The rubber cement also going to help seal the hole a little bit better. Push the strip into the hole. This can be a little bit tough. The T-bar is going to help, and use your body weight really push it down. After you push the plug through the tire you want about a quarter of the plug sticking out, and then you're going to give this tool a firm pull out. The tool is going to come out but the plug material is going to remain in the hole to stop the leak. Now add air to the tire to the recommended pressure. I want to get it flat with the tire, so I'm going to use a blade. Any products I used in this video you will find it in my blog. I hope the video was helpful, and if you're not a subscriber consider subscribing.